All right, we are going to be looking at inclined planes and wedges. Let me just review the mechanical advantage here because our goal is to find the ideal mechanical advantage as stated there. Okay, so ideal mechanical advantage equals the effort distance divided by the resistance distance. Okay, when we're talking about effort, all right, if we're going up a ramp, we would be putting in the effort going up the ramp, and resistance is gravity. So how high would we actually be going is important there. Okay, so we have to keep that in mind. Effort up the ramp, resistance is how high. For these, if you're using like an axe or a knife or a sword or anything, it's a wedge. Okay, the effort is basically going in this way because if I'm going to chop with this axe, I'm going to chop in this direction. For this one, I'm going to chop in that direction. And so this would be the effort distance. And then the resistance is how wide is that thing. So if we make it wider, it'll be harder to chop through something. So if you have knives, they're always really skinny, right? If we make it really wide and chunky, it's not going to go through very easily. Okay, so IMA equals effort distance divided by resistance distance. And if we go through and look, IMA that is greater than 1 means that the work we're doing is easier, and then an IMA that is less than 1, it is harder to do that work. So your final answer for most of your calculations, your final answer should be more than 1. Okay, inclined planes, it has to be, because a ladder would be the hardest thing we could do to get up, and that would be an IMA of 1. So there's no benefit to it. You just get a shorter distance. And for these wedges, you could, if you made it really like short. So if you made this edge really short and then this one really wide. So if you had something like this, I don't even like that. I'm going to make it even worse. So if you have something like this, that's not cutting anything. Okay. So this one would have a terrible mechanical advantage and it's just not going to cut. So think about that. If your final answer is greater than 1, then you probably got the division in the correct order. Okay, so let's go ahead and just do a couple. Um, we got a wedge, so we got our effort distance divided by our resistance distance. So IMA equals 12 inches divided by 1.5 inches. Inches cancel out because it's on the top and the bottom. Our IMA is 8. All right. IMA, AMA, both mechanical advantages. You do not have a unit. It's just how much easier is it? It's 8 times easier to use that wedge than if you weren't using anything at all. Okay, over here, inclined plane. Pretty straightforward, except we've got yards for this one, and we've got feet for this one. So we just need to convert either yards to feet or feet to yards. Let's go ahead and do this. 33 times 3 is 99 feet. Like I said, if you know how to convert, awesome. Google it if you're not sure. Okay. Um, a lot of times we spend a lot of time doing conversions, and it's something that's very quick and easy. You can just find it online. So now we have 99 feet and 9 feet. Simple plug and chug. IMA equals 99 feet divided by 9 feet. Feet cancel out. Our mechanical advantage is 11. 11 times easier to use that ramp than just going straight up. Okay. This one in the middle, number 2, same as this one, but you have centimeters and millimeters. So you just have to convert and then kick out the final answer. All right. Let me know if you have any questions, and good luck with your inclined planes and wedges.